Hi, it's Dave from C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. At least it's not raining today. What do we got for you? We got this gorgeous brand new Ram. And what do we do on this? Well, when you first look at it, you're gonna think, oh look, they did another cover. And yes, we did. We did the backflip MX4 on this. But this truck has some special little, we'll say, tricks up its sleeve. So you have the hard cover, looks nice and clean. Well, we start opening it. Nice, easy fold cover. Well, the first thing you see is this truck has the ampresearch bed extender in it. But now there's something else behind here. What is that? That is the Toolbox Toolbox. So in the past, you guys, if you watched any of our videos, you've seen we've done the Toolbox Toolbox with the Encore cover. Unfortunately, they're stopping production of the Encore cover. So we need to come up with a solution for you guys that want to have a lockable, nice, big size toolbox, but maybe you don't want to get one of the metal ones and bolt it to your floor. So this is the ticket. We did it with the backflip MX4. Now, as you can see, it opens right up. You can get your stuff. Now, obviously, even with the Encore, if you needed to get into the middle, you have to go through your bed. But now you have a nice, big toolbox. It's got a weather seal on it. It's got its own lock on it. So where that's nice is, say you guys are a contractor or you do work like that, this is where you're gonna put your tools because they're gonna be weather protected. Now you can come in, close that, there's a lock, put a key in there, lock it, but now you have something big here. Your cover can be open, this stuff is still secure. And the nice thing is this is a new thing for us doing it this way. We had to figure it out. We've come up with a solution to make these work together, because if you just go on, any website or even on our website, if you check it, it's gonna say it doesn't work, it doesn't go. There are some special things that you have to do to get this to work together. Now, if you buy it from us and you live in Oklahoma, Texas, wherever, we will tell you exactly what you need to do to get this system to work together, because the way the instructions tell you, it ain't gonna work together and you're gonna be scratching your head. If you buy it somewhere else, call them, ask them, they're gonna tell you, I don't know, figure it out. But if you buy it from us, we will, and we're also gonna make a video that's gonna be able to be sent to you, but we will tell you exactly how to do this. But as you can see, everything works. He's got plenty of clearance, so if he flips his bed extender back in here and has stuff here, it's a really good idea. It's well laid out. He can do the work, he can do what he needs to do. And then when you close the cover, it's all gonna be covered up and nobody's the wiser. So you got those expensive Milwaukee tools in there, other stuff that you need. This is the ticket. Now, the way we've changed to do this, so hopefully you didn't click off the video yet, but the way we've done this now, if you guys have this truck and this cover and you want this, we are able to do this retrofit on your cover, because before it was only the Encore, but now we have a solution. If you have the backflip, the undercover, any one of those hard folding covers and you bought it from us, give us a call, say, hey, I want to do that. We can do the retrofit. We just have to check your truck to make sure it can support doing it this way. So we're either gonna ask you to send us some pictures, or we're gonna ask you to stop by the store. So if you're local, you're gonna have to come see us. Give us a call first and we'll tell you what you need to do. But this is a good solution for you guys that are even part-time contractors, not a full-time contractor. Really nice setup, everything works well. You'll see when I close everything, it's not whacking the top of the toolbox. There's a good 1/4 inch to almost a 1/2 inch of space in there. So it's not even, the toolbox isn't affecting it. The cover comes and it's the same, it's a good quality backflip cover, as Chris has walked through other videos, triple seal, the ability to lock it in the open position, partially open, all those benefits, the drainage system, and that all works and we don't have to mess with it. So like I said, we can do a retrofit for you guys, or if you're interested in the cover or doing a similar setup, give us a call at the store, talk to Chris, John, myself, Joel. We can walk you through. We'll get the information we need to get this to you if we're shipping it, or to get you on the books for an appointment and we can get this knocked out. If you guys are doing this yourself, you got to have some mechanical ability. You got to know righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and some basics. But you can do this. A guy can do this. We'll tell you exactly what you need. There's a couple little parts that you have to get from your local store, but it's nothing complicated. And you're going to put this in and go, oh wow, that looks good and works really well. So don't be too afraid to it, but it is going to take you some time to do it. So this is a very time-consuming project. And you know, Chris worked on it a little bit, I worked on it a little bit, but we got it done. And now we have a solution for you guys that want a toolbox underneath a hard folding cover, and this one's using the back MX4. Please like the video, subscribe. Chris always tells you that. It doesn't cost you anything. And even if you don't own this truck, you own another one, send this to your buddies. That's what helps YouTube get our videos out there. And now it's not some guy sitting in a garage. You're getting actual people that know what's going on. Once again, it's Dave with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. Thanks